The Shiv Sena, allegedly some of its workers have targeted a military veteran, a former naval officer has been attacked. This is what we are being told. Retired military official has made a complaint. The BJP MLAs are making a stunning allegation here, citing this particular case as yet another case of high-handedness. The details, we're going to go straight across to our reporters there on the ground for more of these details. Let's go across to Siddhant. Siddhant, what can you tell us?
Well, that's right, Rahul. The details that we are getting is that an officer has been attacked by some Shiv Sainiks. We are awaiting more details, but this is what the prima facie has been confirmed to us, that a retired officer who has served in Navy has been attacked by some Shiv Sena people, alleged Shiv Sena people. Now, that link is currently being probed, but this is the initial information that we have.
This is absolutely shocking. The picture that you see on your screens right now is of the retired Navy officer. This apparently happened in Kandivali, and this gentleman, all that he had done, according to BJP MLA, is that he had forwarded some cartoon. He had forwarded some cartoon, and this is perhaps an answer to everyone who is saying that what was the need to give security to Kangana Ranaut? If a Navy veteran is not spared from physical assault because he had the temerity of forwarding a cartoon against Uddhav Thackeray, then imagine someone who has spoken out against the government, even if you don't agree with her language. Can you imagine the kind of treatment that she would have been faced with? Let's listen in to what BJP MLA Atul Bhatkalkar said. He is the one who's made the allegation that this gentleman was beaten up by Shiv Sena activists.
मेरे मतार संघ में रहने वाले ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स के निवृत्त नौदल अधिकारी मदन शर्मा जी के ऊपर आज शिवसेना के गुंडों ने उन्होंने राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के बारे में एक कार्टून फॉरवर्ड किया। इसके लिए जानलेवा हमला किया, उनके आंख को गंभीर चोट पहुंचाई, पेट और पीठ पर उनको 8 लोगों ने मिलकर मारकर उनकी जान लेने का घिनौना प्रयास किया। अभी तो शिव सैनिक मुख्यमंत्री की आलोचना की, इसके लिए निवृत्त जवानों के ऊपर भी हमला करने लगे हैं। इस निचले स्तर तक शिवसेना के लोग उतरे हैं। मैं राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री को इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि इस प्रकार के गुंडागर्दी से मुंबई की और महाराष्ट्र की जनता ये अपना आवाज बंद करेगी, ऐसी स्थिति नहीं है।
Absolutely shameful. Let me put that question to Tausif Ahmed. Is this how people are expected to behave, Tausif Ahmed? Just because somebody forwards a cartoon, he gets beat up?
No, this is the culture that we are living in present time.
No, sir, this is not the culture. Please, let's not normalize violence by saying, oh, this is the culture we are living in. Of course not. Tomorrow you will actually justify someone coming and beating us up because they don't agree with our views. This is no culture. This is lack of culture.
You're talking about the culture.
Are you saying this is the culture of Mumbai? For a Navy veteran to be beaten up by Shiv Sainiks who pride themselves on New Marathi?
हो रहा है वहाँ और एक तरफ आप कल्चर की बात कर रहे हैं. It started with lynching. It started with
Sir, this is actually an insult to Marathi culture.
Maharashtra was never like
Asif
this.
Bamla, people living in Mumbai should take serious offense to being told that this is the culture we live in. Apparently, this is the culture of Mumbai, is it, Asif Bamla?
This has never been the culture of Mumbai. Don't try to exaggerate. I am a Mumbaiker also. We know and we have been seeing this. Even in Kangana's matter, we have seen that 351 का notice आने के बाद you have to give at least 7 days, time to her to come and explain a position. आपने दूसरे दिन जाके demolish किया उसको. And you're calling this a culture of Maharashtra? Maharashtra culture कभी ये नहीं रहा है.
This is nobody's culture, and I'm pretty certain, Tausif Ahmed, this is not Kolkata's culture either. This is not Maharashtra's culture. This is not India's culture. This is lack of culture. This is plain barbaric gundagardi. RSN Singh, analyst, is also with us on the phone line right now. RSN Singh, what do you make of this? Now, a common citizen, a Navy veteran, is also not spared.
No, this is totally Dawood's influence on politics. And no, I have always said that Dawood has huge inroads into cricket, politics, and Bollywood. So now you see all this is the manifestation of that. And remember, I must tell you this, that whatever investigations are going on that Sushant case, you will finally see that this is an entire ecosystem of anti-India forces at work. Entire ecosystem, and let me tell you that it's going to go very, very, very far. Very, very far. So I am not at all surprised what is happening with this thing. These are all
You may not be
anti-national
surprised, but I
forces.
think as a country, we're extremely shocked and shamed that it should come to this, Vikas Gupta.
Condemn any form of violence, whether lynching or what happens to a retired naval officer in Mumbai.
Or to
There are no
anyone.
words.
Anyone.
And absolutely. I'm in total agreement with you. And the culprits should be booked immediately under IPC, and they must be arrested also.
But the tragedy is, Rahul, that it is the workers of the ruling party who are doing this.
Look, this is very typical if you're talking about normalizing.
आप democracy में हो, you have the
Okay, I
right
think we
to
have.
speak. Kangana has the
Okay,
right
no,
to
this
speak.
is no, one
Don't
second.
speak
This is
for-
very typical of Sena culture. We've seen it in the past. They've terrorized outsiders, who they call outsiders, North Indians, bhaiyas as they call them in Maharashtra. We have seen in the 70s.
You know, you may
crackdowns
rise
on-
as street fighters, but you
crackdowns.
cannot be street fighters
Yes,
when
no,
you're in
no.
government.
This sort
You
of.
are in the opposition, आपके करते थे,
No, one
समझ में
second. This
आता है,
type of
part the
muscular.
government,
No, one
आपने
second.
तमाम करने से आप रुकिए.
No, absolutely, Mr. Bhamla. You are absolutely right. Today,
Some decorum. You are in the government. You have to have a large heart.
Absolutely, absolutely, Mr. Bhamla.
उसकी आँख तोड़ दोगे, उसके पैर तोड़ दोगे. यहाँ आर्मी ऑफिसर ने कुछ.
Absolutely.
Freedom.
You know,
What freedom
we
are you
must
talking
point
about?
out
Is it
that
a bloody
that
system?
that intimidation happens in many ways. It can happen by having a mob assemble outside the airport.
Padmaja, I think
it can
Atul
happen
Bhatkalkar is there with you on the
somebody's
phone line.
house being brought down, and now there's a physical assault. We've got MLA of the BJP, Atul Bhatkalkar, with us on the phone line. Bhatkalkar साहब, आपने बहुत ही सीरियस चार्ज लगाया है. क्या आप बिल्कुल तसल्ली से कह सकते हैं, आप कंफर्म कर सकते हैं कि जो ये भाई साहब पर अटैक हुआ है वो शिव सैनिकों ने किया है?
Yeah, definitely, because he took his name and local Shaka Pramukh and some other Shiv Sainik,
हाँ.
they phoned him, they asked him to come down from his building, and the moment he came down, they started thrashing like anything.
तो आप
They inflicted big injury on his eye, and within 10 minutes, I will upload CCTV footage.
Yes,
of this
absolutely.
incident.
Absolutely. You know, this should be put out and that person should be identified. Imagine a Shakha Pramukh actually calling a man down, berating him, and then beating him up.
Well, I just want to put it on record. Look, today the BJP might be, turning purple over this attack. But let me also tell you, when the BJP was a partner of the Shiv Sena and when the Shiv Sena used to go rampaging down the streets of Mumbai, targeting taxiwalas and several other individuals, normalizing what, to use your particular phrase, a violent politics, then I'm sorry, we all looked upon it very differently. So
I don't agree with that, Rahul. Anytime violence and the last instance of taxi drivers being attacked was by the MNS.
No, I understand
In
that, but I don't
government, I don't
remember.
really
No, one
recall
second.
that
There have been
happening,
many
but yes.
examples, but I don't remember. Look, every political party resorts to this. There is no doubt about it. So we've even seen people being charged with sedition for drawing cartoons under the NCP and the Congress government. So, this sort of intimidation that is handed out to the citizenry is not acceptable. But yes, in this particular case, sorry, whether we like it or not, it is the Sena that has to come to account. Its own workers have done this. They've attacked a veteran. One second. Hello. 1 second, Mr. Bhamla. Now you're in the BJP. Cool down. Now you're in the
I
BJP.
take strong objection to this panelist also who says that this is the culture of Maharashtra. culture of Maharashtra.
This is
Yes,
not the culture of Maharashtra. This is the culture of a particular political party that thinks it owns Maharashtra. That's the problem. The Shiv Sena thinks it owns Maharashtra. That's the real problem, isn't it?
Absolutely, and which is why you had that party putting on its mouthpiece yesterday, Ukhad Diya. That was a triumphant warning to everyone, saying you thought you could get away by speaking out. Humne ukhad diya culture. We taught you a lesson. Ukhad diya, peet diya. This is the culture. General G.D. Bakshi is with us. General G.D. Bakshi, is this how a party in power behaves? Kal ukhad diya, aaj peet diya.
Look, have some people gone stark, raving mad? Is this communist China? Since when has Xi Jinping taken over as our president for life? Anybody can have his house broken down. Anybody can, former naval officer, 66 years old, who loyally served this country, the flag, all his bloody life, can be just called down and beaten up by a bunch of goons. Any reporter can just be put in and thrown into jail without bail, can be beaten up. Have we gone stark, raving mad? This is a party in power. It is not a, outfit on the streets. It is a responsible...
What's very important is that today Kangana Ranaut has spoken up, General Bakshi, and asked the UPA chairperson that, are you okay with the woman being hounded? Perhaps now this veteran should also ask, are you okay with elderly people being beaten up, General Bakshi? The question should be asked to all the politicians who are in power, not just the Sena. It's an alliance, right?
Why should a veteran be touched? Why should a hair on his head be harmed? It is your duty to protect him. He served his life for you on the high seas, under the waves, over the waves. What the hell? Why should he be beaten up like this? This is a democracy. Who has revoked the constitution of this country? Who has revoked the right to free speech?
This is a financial capital of our country. A city that dreams of turning into Shanghai. And it's a city now where apparently citizens can be threatened and silenced, and eventually they can also be beaten up. Think about it. This is one of our metro cities. Are we going to be okay with it, or are we going to seek accountability from those in power? Thank you very much, all gentlemen, for having joined us.